Hello, and in this video we're going to look at InstantCoder, which is a tool made by someone on Hugging Face, and it's made based on Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and essentially it's an AI coder that's meant to create a complete app within one single prompt. And so, without further ado, let's begin. So here we are. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and let's ask it to build an admin dashboard. So we'll make a completely simple prompt, as you can see, not the usual prompts we make with ChatGPT, simply a basic prompt, and let's see what it gives us. This is sped up, by the way. And here it is. We have this preview, and we can also open the code sandbox, as far as I can see. So we have the sidebar, we have some other tabs, we have a pretty cool graph. So yeah, let's open the code sandbox to actually see it in our full screen. It's loading the project, and let's click over here to open it in a new tab. And yeah, this seems quite good. For a completely simple prompt, where there was only like 5 words, this is quite insane. Obviously, it's not because of the tool itself, it's because of the new Gemini 2.5 model, which seems amazing so far. The Gemini models in general are very good, and this one seems to be a great improvement. I'm pretty sure it's not yet available with OpenRouter, correct me if I'm wrong, but if it is, and if it's available for free, it's going to be a game changer for Bold DIY. Now let's ask it to build a Pac-Man game. Let's see how it handles a task like this. Once again, this is sped up. And here's the game. Well, it seems pretty good from just looking at it. Now let's actually test it out. And here we are. And the game seems to be working fine. I'm collecting the dots. Pac-Man doesn't really look like Pac-Man, it's simply a dot, but still. Also, nothing happens when I eat the balls. Pause. Yeah, so the game seems pretty decent. I mean, in general, we have the maze, we have the ghosts, we have various lives. As you can see, the ghosts can eat you, and you will die because of it. But in general, it's a very good game for the most basic prompt we could give it. Now let's ask it to build a snake game. Let's see how it handles that. And here's the game, and from the start it seems much worse, at least from how it looks basically. Let's see if the actual functionality is good. And well, yeah, it seems like the game is very much working. I see no issues with it, just the visuals are pretty bad. So yeah, I'll just speed this up. This is just footage of me playing it. And then we have this weird animation where we crashed. I mean, yeah, it's a functional game, just looks worse than the Pac-Man game. Now, I also asked it to build a portfolio website. Let's see how it handles that one. Seems pretty basic. Let's ask it to add some animations. Once again, it's building an app. And here it is. Let's test it out in Code Sandbox, as always. Let's open in full screen. And yeah, here it is. And it seems pretty decent. Definitely not bad, especially if you add some images. And especially considering the fact that the prompt was completely short. It's not like our usual bold prompts where we actually have like paragraphs and paragraphs of text. So overall, from what I can see, it's a pretty fun tool to use. It could be a good tool to combine with Bolt. For example, using this as a starter and then pasting all of the code into Bolt. I think you can download the code from Code Sandbox, then you can import it into something like Bolt DIY, or simply paste that one file and paste it into Bolt. That's also possible, and work from there, because it seems as a better starter than Bolt, but in general it seems worse, and obviously the biggest issue is that you can't actually continue with it. So once we made this, we can't really make any changes, we can't ask it to make something different. So yeah, a fun tool, a pretty good starter, but for now not a tool that you'll probably be using often. But the most important part of this was the model, and it seems that Google Gemini 2.5 is amazing, definitely much better than its predecessor. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.